Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to plan out the week of January 3rd through the 9th. I will be using this kit from Simply Smith Stickers. I got this sheet off a tiered freebie in one of her sales, so I decided to pick up the sidebar, the date headers, the glitter headers, the thick washi here, super cute, and then the full boxes just so I can plan out my week. This is basically a full kit, just without the extra sheet of appointment labels. So I am going to go ahead and lay this down, and then we will get into planning. All right, let's try that. I just took the washi out and just left that sticker and then moved those around so it's a little bit more spaced out. And then for Tuesday, we're going to do school, and then my daughter goes to preschool, so I will just use, crap, there's only purple. I don't want purple and purple together. Maybe we'll do this. Actually, this is going to be for, we'll do this. I feel like I haven't planned. My mind's all over the place. Actually, my mind is just all over the place anyways. So let me do this. I have a birthday. That's for work. Brittany, get it together. So we're going to put that there. There we go. And then I have a birthday script. We'll just put, I know this is an appointment label, but we'll just do just kind of like my work. But then I also have to work. What am I doing? Hang on. Maybe we'll put this down here. Ooh, I could also put a little Planner Kate Doodle Girl. I have a couple of those. I might add that. Gotta work. I do think I'm going to do that. And then that area up there is going to be for my daughter's preschool, because she only goes twice a week. And then Tuesday night is just going to be basketball practice and dance. So we will put this in. I'm just going to use that tree washi, I think, for all the basketball practices, just because I like to have something behind script if I can, if it's available. I should go through my washi stash and use that, but I don't know if I'm going to have anything to match it. And this will be Braden's basketball and Kaysen's basketball because they have it together. I mean, not together, but at the same time. And then my husband does work that day, so that's going to be fun, trying to get them everywhere. But, you know, it is what it is. This is life. All right, let's go ahead and move on to Wednesday. All right, we have school, and then I'm going to go to the gym again. Actually, before that, I'm going to go to Aldi. So let's go ahead. We'll use this one. Do I want to use that for? I'm trying to think here. Maybe I'll use the blue one. School. Aldi, because on Wednesday they have like that special aisle. I just love it. I shouldn't go down it because I spend way too much money, but I do like it. So I'm going to move this up just a hair. So I get a work script, and then I do have a custom Aldi Run script because, you know, it's an every week thing. And there's my freaking heater. It's cold outside. I'm just going to put basketball and then bar again, and then we will come back to Thursday when my heater comes off. Okay, so I finished that down here. I just put basketball practice, bar, and then his work, and I did switch out this half box here just so that backgrounds would match. I don't know. It's not going to work for Thursday, but it's fine. And then I did add this Planner Kate Doodle Girl. I did the big one because I don't usually use the big ones, and I feel like that looks pretty cute. So, on to Thursday. What are we doing? We're going to school. We're not going to school. My kids are going to school. And then, let me put this on Friday as well. That looks crooked to me. Probably. I don't know if that's any better, but it'll work. So we have school for them. And then Thursday, did I use the mittens? Yes. Daughter goes to preschool. So for Christmas, we ended up getting my daughter, she's 4, some play makeup, and she has been going ham on that. Like bright blue eyeshadow, all the things. She loves it. So that was pretty cute. My sister she doesn't do makeup, but like she does her makeup really good. So she loved it. So I've been sending her pictures of that. But it was really cute. Boys got stuff for their rooms. We just moved a couple months ago, and they wanted like new bedspreads and like the wall decals that go on your wall. So we got them that. They got, I don't know what the deal is with like LED lights this year, but they both wanted them. So now their whole room is covered in them, like under their TV stands, on the ceilings. But it's pretty cute. So we have another birthday, and then basketball and dance. My week is pretty repetitive, but, and to think I still can't get my life together, even though every week is still pretty much the same. Maybe one day. That's my whole thing for this year, is just to do better. Like, I'm gonna pick up on my exercising, and actually like mindful exercising, not just like going to classes, but doing like weights and stuff. I think that'll help a lot. Let's do the mittens here, because I do a lot of cardio, and I mean, it's good to do a lot of cardio, but you still need to do some kind of weights. So I am going to try to fit in some of that. I actually just got it's called a fitness journal, and it shows you a whole bunch of different things and why you do them and why they need them and stuff like that. So I'm going to focus on that. So for Friday, boys are going to go to school. I do get paid. So let's do, she has a payday script on here, and a little money icon. And I think I'm going to use the mitten washi. Ooh, it's going to go right next to this. That's fine though. My kids are running around upstairs. And I don't think I'm going to go to the gym this day. Heck, I don't know. I might. Maybe I won't do this. Maybe I'll do payday. Do I have another? Should have got that extra washi strip, dang it. I just need a really thin piece of washi. Maybe a glitter header. Hang on here. Where did I put that? Will that look okay? I just need a little background here. That's fine. And then gym and work. Do I have, oh my gosh, Brittany. I need someone here telling me, hey, that's not the right color. That's not what you're using for that. It's fine. Everything's fine. Good thing the stickers are removable. Because if not, it would not be good. Alright. So, gym, then work, and basketball. Okay, let's see if we can finish this before that turns back on. So Saturday, they are starting Saturday classes at the Y, so I will be going to bar and Zumba then. And then I have absolutely nothing to do, so I will probably just have the Yellowstone on. So I'm just going to put that here and do another one of these and basically just do that all day. We've done all of our cleaning, so that'll be done. And then I am going to clean on Sunday morning. I think maybe while I watch, nope, I don't want to do that one. While I watch that, I may organize my little cupboards. In this new house we got, we have like a walkway and there's 2 built-ins and they have like glass doors on them. And I have all of my like pink zebra stuff, my candles. So maybe while I watch that on Saturday, I will organize this, and then Sunday I'll get my regular cleaning done. So we will just put that there. And then Sunday night, I am just going to film. And do I want to use this? That's a lot of Christmas trees happening. Here, I'll use this last full box. Put that here. And then I will just film the plan with me. And then this little girl is from my Planning Addictions. Super cute. And then my husband will go to work, of course. Alright, so let's go ahead and write in my schedule. So it's going to be 11:30 to 2:30 here. And then 8:30 to 11:15. This is my friend Grace's birthday. And then same thing over here. $8:30 to 11:15. And this is my friend Shanna's birthday. And then 11:30 to 2:30. And then I'll put Yellowstone. I hope it's good. Everyone keeps talking about it, so hopefully it's not a waste of my time. Alright, that is going to be it for this plan with me. If you use Happy Planner stickers, she is bringing to the shop, I think, a couple different kits. The ones that she's shown us is a really bright kit and one that will kind of match your Flora design. So if you're into that, go ahead and check out the shop. And as always, mention me in the comments and you can get my freebie. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.